Dostyk Street is one of picturesque streets of the left bank of the capital. It starts with Turan Avenue, goes behind House of Ministries and finishes nearby Presidential Park. It crosses Kabambay Batyr and Mangelik Yel avenues as well as Sauran, Akmeshit and Turkestan streets. Its length is 2,299 meters. Dostyk in translation from Kazakh means friendship. Friendship in Kazakh language means fidelity and trust as well as similarity of views and interests. Friendship in political science means cooperation between countries which have similar political, economic and cultural ties. Friendship in Kazakhstan has a specific additional meaning. Representatives of more than 130 nationalities live friendly in Kazakhstan. Lovers Park, Nur-Sultan Residential Complex, Korme Exhibition Center, Northern Lights Residential Complex, Kiriyen Entertainment Center, National Academy Library, Ministry of Defense and Bayterek Monument are all located alongside the streets. Lovers Park is beloved place of all who fell in love. Park is located on the left bank of Ishim River, between building of Kazmunaygas National Company and Turan Avenue. Its space takes 14 hectares.